Some seasonings just sit in the cabinet. This one ends up on everything. Today we're making an easy, homemade chili garlic seasoning that's smoky, garlicky, spicy, and ridiculously good on many dishes. The full recipe link is in the description below. Start with 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of onion powder to build that rich, savory base. Next, add 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of paprika for bold color and smoky chili flavor. Now sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of crushed red chili flakes to bring in texture and extra heat. Then add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt to balance and round out the seasoning. Next, mix in 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a deeper spicy kick. And finally, add 1/4 teaspoon of ground cumin for a warm, earthy finish in the background. Now give everything a really good mix until all the spices are evenly blended and the seasoning looks rich and uniform throughout. Before we finish this up, take a second to like the video if you're enjoying it, share it with someone who loves bold, spicy flavors, and subscribe to our channel for more easy homemade recipes. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss a new upload. And your homemade chili garlic seasoning is ready. This recipe makes about 1/2 cup of seasoning, perfect to keep on hand for quick flavor boosts throughout the week. Store any leftover seasoning in an airtight spice jar and keep it in a cool, dry place for up to 3 to 4 months. Give this chili garlic seasoning a try and let us know in the comments how you used it and what you paired it with. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more recipes like this.